Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sana Khan and I make videos related to beauty products, skincare products, DIYs, hauls, unboxing any product, reviewing any product, lookbooks, so on and so forth. So for the ones who are watching me for the first time, if you like my video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and don't forget to click on the bell icon because when I upload my new videos, you'll get the notification of that. So let's get started with today's video. Today's video is very special to me. Firstly, let me tell you, I am from Kolkata. I stay in Kolkata. And the ones living in Kolkata or the ones living in West Bengal know about very famous places, very local famous places here for shopping, where you get very good stuff in reasonable prices. So there are quite a few places here to shop, the street shopping basically. Like there's Bada Bazaar, which is very good, and then there's Garya Hat, which is exceptionally good for shopping also, and also there is this new market, which is very good for shopping. So I've been to Bada Bazaar, I think twice or thrice, not much, and to Garya Hat market, you won't believe I've not been even once. I have to visit that place because I've heard a lot about that place. My mom, she also says good things, all the good stuff about Garya Hat market. So I have to go and visit that market too. And when I do that, I'll let you guys know. But I often go to New Market. I love the products you get there. All the products are so good in quality. I mean, the quality is not very good, but it's not bad either. The quality is very likable. You will like it. And the best part is that you get it in reasonable prices. There are some shops which sell in fixed price, and there are some shops where you can do bargaining. So yeah, a few days back I visited New Market and to get few of the winter stuffs that I needed, and also I picked up a little more things. When we are in marketplaces, we end up picking up a little extra stuff, so that happens. But for the things that I went there, I'll show you those things first, and then we'll come to the other things that I picked up. So let's begin. New Market street shopping haul. So let's get started. Okay, so as winters are here, I wanted to get some warm clothes from there, which are very reasonable also. Like once you wear it, you're done with it. Next year also you can wear it, of course, because they are not very like I said, the quality is not bad, it's good, and the price is reasonable. Okay. So I picked up these pajamas, two pajamas like this. It has a Spider-Man print running because my son was there with me and he insisted me to buy this pajama. This is not for a kid, it's for a grown-up, but he insisted me to pick this up and I did that. Kya banta hai? It's a full length pajama and it's of good quality. So this pajama, and then because when at night you wear these, you feel so comfy, cozy. The winter nights, you feel so comfortable. You get warm, comfortable sleep. And the second one is this one. This I've not worn it yet. It's also a full length pajama. The quality is very good. Okay, so each of the pajamas, it costed me 200 rupee each. Okay. Then I picked up this warm shawl. The exact color, it's not black. You can see I'm wearing black, but it's not black. It's a coke color. That's the color. That's the exact color. So I picked this up. This also costed me 200. The length is quite good. Okay. And it's very warm also. The other side is like this. And okay, so the next stuff that I picked up was for my son, and it is this. You see the quality? It is so good. And it costed me only ₹100. तो बहुत ही अच्छी डील मिलती है. I really love New Market. One of my favorite places to shop in Kolkata. Street shopping. Go to New Market. Anyone seeing from different other places, if you ever visit Kolkata, go to New Market. You'll love it. And I want to go to Garyahat Market. I've never been there. I'll someday go there and do a shopping haul of that also. Now let's come to the extra thing that I ended up buying basically. Okay, so there are so many stalls or street shops in New Market. You know, when you go there, you end up buying extra stuff. And you know, every time there's something or the other there. I love wearing hairbands, and whenever I visit New Market, I have to get a hairband, be it just single piece or quite a few. I get a hairband for myself. Okay, so I ended up buying 3 hairbands for myself. You can see. That's silver, gold, and this is this. Yeah, now you can see. So these costed me 50 rupee each, which is good enough. Like, they are good, of good quality. They last. I also picked up this kind of hairbands last year, which I'm still having. I still wear them. And these again, I saw some new designs, so I picked these up. They're durable stuff. Okay, and from the same shop, I got this thing. From where I got this thing, the shopkeeper, he gifted me this clip. But it's a very cute clip. So that's it. Then I got myself this jhamka wala, you know, earring, you will say. It's a peach color. I'll show you the exact color. Yep, that's the exact color. Peach. So I got this for myself, and this costed me only ₹100. So this I got from another shop. It was very fascinating me. This bangle. It is so sparkly, you can see. It is adjustable. You can adjust from here. And this costed me 150. Yeah. And it's quite sturdy and of good quality. The guy who was selling this now, he said that it won't, like, the color won't change. The color won't change. So this is why I trusted him and got it. But theek hai, 150 mein, you know, it's okay. It's nice. From the same shop, I got myself these beautiful earrings. Yeah, these are so good. That's mirror. You see, it's all mirror. I'll wear this and show. In some of my lookbooks, I'm gonna definitely wear this and show you guys. This too costed me 150. Yeah, 150 and 150, both of them from the same shop. When you go to New Market, you know, inside there's this hog market where they sell dupattas and suit pieces. You know, in they sell the entire pieces also and the sets also with dupattas and all. You can buy separate pieces, cloth pieces, and then make your own suit and all. Get it stitched. So yeah. So I got myself 5 meters of this cotton cloth. It's green. It's a very good quality. And they were selling this out. I think it costed me 100 rupee meter. 100 rupee a meter. So 500 rupee mein I got this 5 meters cloth. Yeah. I'll make something out of it and show you in my video. And you know, matching to this cloth piece, I got myself a dupatta also. It's looking very bright in this light, but it's of this color only. If you can see, yeah, there you can see. It's of this color only. It's going with the material. So I'll design something and show you guys. Keep watching for that. So this dupatta costed me I think 200, and there's this lace, you call it lace. This is at the edges. So yep, 200 mein. It's a good, nice, अच्छी width है दुपट्टे की, and everything is fine. So yeah, that was it, my new market street shopping haul. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with your family and friends. Stay connected with me for more such videos. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.